For number 12, it is asking me to evaluate the function over the domain -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. And as the values of the domain increase, do the values of the range increase or decrease? Now remember, domain is your x values, so that means each of these are going to be substituted in for x in this exponent. So let's put this into the calculator and find it on our table. So we have 0.6 to the exponent of x. So we do second in graph after putting this for y equals, and go to where -2 is starting because that is our first domain value. So write down all of our y's for -2, 3. So round to the nearest hundredths place, we'll have 2.78, we'll have 1.67, we'll have 1, 0.6, 0.36, and 0.22. So let's type that in. So the first one, it says when x is -2, that one was 2.78. For -1, we got 1.67. For 0, we got 1. For 1, we got 0.6. For 2, we got 0.36. And for 3, we got 0.22. So as the values of the domain increase, we saw each of these were decreasing. So the values of the range decrease. That's number 12. Number 13. Which function has a greater value for the given value of x? We have f of x equals 6 times 2 to the x, or f of x equals 190 times x squared for x equals 7. So let's put those into the calculator and see which one is greater. So first, we type in 6 times 2 to the x power. For the second one, we type in 190 times x squared. So now we go to second graph and we go to where x is 7. In my case, I have to move down. So I see that the one that is greater is going to be the 190 times x squared. So let's look at our answers. So the one that is larger for x equals 7 will be the 190 x squared. That's number 13.